Hello, this screencast is designed to walk you through the varying interpretations level 2 formative in the history of baseball. From the Google Classroom page, go to classwork. You're going to see under Unit 3, Race Relations and the Gentleman's Agreement, the varying interpretations level 2 formative. There are two documents attached to this assignment. The first one is our links to sources. There were some sources that I put in here, as well as sources that I asked various students to find and to put into this document. So there's a whole library of possible sources for students to use that have been collected by both myself and students in class. From these sources, you are going to open up this document. Everybody has their own copy of. Your goal is to identify similarities and differences between two varying interpretations and chart those similarities and differences. So, in the chart below, identify a subject of race relations in baseball history. So here is where you would type your subject, somewhere in this box. Oops. So, it could be a person such as Satchel Paige, or an issue such as segregation, or an event such as the Ted Williams Hall of Fame speech. Whatever your subject is, it's best that you try to find two interpretations of that. And what you're really looking for is two sources. They don't have to be opposite interpretations of one saying something's good and one saying something's bad. They can still vary given their sourcing, given the slight difference in opinion. They may both say positive things, but for different reasons. There's any number of things that would vary two different sources. So I want you to remember to link, highlight the word link, and hit insert. And you're going to insert the link by taking the URL from your source and pasting it right in here. Many of you've been doing this right along all semester, so that should not be a new thing for you to have to think about. Once you have your sources linked, you're going to list 3 to 4 things that are common about the two sources. And then what's different? Again, it says 2 to 3 with 2 different boxes. So you're going to write 2 things about source 1 that are different than source 2, and maybe 2 to 3 things about source 2 that make it different than source 1. That's all you're being asked to do. Find 2 sources on the same subject. Type in your subject here. Link your documents here. Type in your 3 to 4 similarities here. Type in your 2 to 3 differences for source 1 here, or interpretation 1 here, and your 2 to 3 differences for interpretation 2 or source 2 here. That's it for now. Feel free to see me in class to ask questions or email me as well. Good luck.